Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion and Eid Mubarak to all my viewers and subscribers. And in this meaty Eid, I've brought to you this sweet and meaty sheer kurma recipe for you. Do make this recipe in this Eid. And now start the recipe, but first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. Now jump into the recipe and make this meaty sheer kurma recipe in this Eid. For that, here I have taken 1.5 liter of full fat milk, and I recommend you to use full fat milk to get richer and creamier texture of the sheer kurma. And to that I am going to add 5 cardamom or elaichi which I have crushed, and I am going to boil the milk over a very low flame till it reduces to 1 liter. That means 1.5 liter milk will be reduced to 1 liter, and I am going to stir it continuously in the middle so that it does not burn. Meanwhile, in another pan, here I have taken 1.5 tablespoon of ghee or clarified butter, and I am going to fry some nuts in there, dry fruits in there, because sheer kurma is rich in dry fruits. So here I have taken 10 to 12 raisins and 8 to 10 cashew nuts or kaju which I have crushed, 7-8 almonds or badam which I have sliced, and 5-6 pistachio or pista which I have chopped. And I have peeled the skin of almond and pistachio, and I am going to fry them over medium flame for a minute or so. And you will see they have changed the color. I have removed them. Next, in the same ghee, I am going to add some dates. I have taken 4-5 dates or khajur, and I have sliced them like this, and I am going to fry them for a minute or so over medium flame. These dry fruits are must for making sheer kurma, but you can increase or decrease the amount according to your taste. Next, in the same pan, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Let it get nice and hot, and I am going to fry the vermicelli. Here I have taken 100 grams of vermicelli or sivaiya or shimai, and I am going to fry them on medium flame for 5-6 minutes till they are golden brown, lightly golden brown. I am using lachha shimai here, and you can see they have got some nice brown color on them, so they are done. Now keep that aside and move to our milk, which has reduced nicely to 1 liter. As I told you, make sure when you are frying the dry fruits and shimai, keep an eye on the milk as well. Now I am going to add the fried dry fruits into the milk, and mix it. And already the smell is so good of this elaichi and the ghee. Next, I am going to add condensed milk, 150 ml of condensed milk. I am using condensed milk to make the sheer kurma much more richer in taste, but you can use sugar if you want instead of condensed milk. Next, I am going to add the fried vermicelli or sivaiya or shimai with all the ghee and mix it. And make sure you check the sweetness of the sheer kurma at this stage, and if you want more, you can add more. Balance the sweetness according to your taste. And now I am going to cook this vermicelli or sivaiya over medium flame for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, it's quite done. I am going to add a pinch of saffron or kesar into that, or saffron, and 1 teaspoon of kevra water as well. You can use rose water as well, but I don't prefer rose water, that's why I'm not adding. I like the smell of the elaichi or cardamom, that's why I'm not using rose water. And our sheer kurma is ready to serve. Now on this bowl, I'm going to serve this sheer kurma. Generally, sheer kurma is served cold or chilled, but you can serve it hot if you like it hot. Now garnish it with some nuts like almonds and pistachio, which are giving them a nice color as well. And I'm going to garnish it with some rose petals as well to make it look more beautiful. So our sheer korma for this Eid is ready, and enjoy your Eid with this sheer korma with your friends and family, and let me know about your feedback in the comment section below. And enjoy, and Eid Mubarak to everyone. Thank you.